Thanks to Bioptron light therapy, we can stimulate regenerative biochemical and physical processes in our bodies, helping it to recover much faster.
Bioptron light therapy improves microcirculation, enhances the immune system, stimulates regenerative and reparative processes in the entire organism, promotes wound healing, and can relieve pain or decrease its intensity. It is also scientifically proven that Bioptron light stimulates activity of the cell membrane and improves the absorption of oxygen into tissues, thereby accelerating the cellular regenerative process.
Every time we aim Bioptron at a part of our body, we begin a process called biostimulation. Biostimulation takes place at the cell level. Let's now go on a short trip into inner space and see how this all works. We are now entering the cell. The so-called power plants of the cell, the mitochondria, produce energy necessary for the nucleus to synthesize DNA. The nuclei then send DNA information to the endoplasmic reticulum, which, thanks to that, can now produce proteins. Bioptron light intensifies these processes. The cell is more alive and it produces more energy.
Due to this energy, the cell is capable of producing many substances important for human health. Light also stimulates the molecules on the surface of the cell. Thanks to this stimulation, they are able to activate many functions of the cell surface that are important for optimal functions of the cell, such as its nutrition, its oxygen supply, as well as its interaction with other elements of the cell environment.
For example, this interaction that takes place in the ionic channels as cell gates of the cell membrane can be intensified by applying Bioptron light therapy as well. The ionic channels are more open and the cell breathes deeply. This is a very important process because this positive interaction of substances between the cell and its environment has a direct effect on the quality of the microcirculation in our blood vessels. Through microstimulation, these enriched substances can reach the far ends of our blood vessel system, even though we have stimulated only a certain part of our body.
We have shown in our investigations that the light of the Bioptron device activates microcirculation within minutes, and it significantly increases antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-tumor immunity.
As we can see, Bioptron light therapy is no magic light that in itself remedies conditions. On the contrary, Bioptron light therapy merely utilizes natural power to rouse the sleeping potential of our body. Bioptron light therapy accelerates the healing process by 100% in a great variety of illnesses and disorders.